Tired of huffing and puffing? Hold on to your keyboard dust. Meet your new cleaning obsession, the GIGA Electric Portable Air Duster. Imagine never buying canned air again. Environment Place's relaxed sigh here. Ever been frustrated by gunky keyboards or dusty cameras? This little powerhouse sweeps in with a whoosh of mighty rechargeable air, ready to blast away every speck and crumb. Yup, that's cordless convenience at its finest. Check it. Ultra mini design means this buddy fits snugly in your backpack or gadget bag, ready for on-the-go precision attacks against stubborn dust. And with its multiple nozzle attachments, every dust particle shudders in fear. Whether you're tidying your gaming rig, giving your car's dashboard a spa day, or showing love to your drone, this duster's got a speed for every mission, delicate or dynamic. But wait, there's more. A built-in LED light illuminates those shadowy corners. Dust thinks it can hide? Not with GIGA around, it can't. Sounds like it's made for you? Dive into the description for the magic link to snag your own. Don't let dust keep you down. Click to cleanse the chaos.